I haven't posted a video in a while. I'm looking to buy any NOS Kawasaki parts or parts inventories you might have. I'm trying to build up my collection of nice original paint gas tanks. I'll pretty much buy anything new old stock for the KZ1000R or the Z1900, or if it's an entire inventory of Kawasaki parts regardless of the application. I'm interested in complete inventories. If you have anything, please send me a message and I'll get back to you. I won't waste your time. I'm not having any luck on eBay or other sources. So if you've got a collection of cow parts or need something, maybe I can trade you for what you need and I'll get what I'm looking for. So feel free to contact me at OLDPARTS. That's oldparts at AOL.com. Thanks for listening.